This report brought to you by the Richmond Club, where investors and high-growth companies meet.
I'm Galit Solomon on location for the Richmond Report, and joining me now is the President and Chief Executive Officer of Prairie Provident Resources, Tim Granger. Tim, thank you for joining us.
Thanks very much for having me.
We'll dive right into it and begin with an overview of your company, please.
Okay. Well, Prairie Provident Resources is a small junior based in Alberta. Our claim to fame, what differentiates us, I believe, is though we are a small junior, we have a very low decline rate, about 18%, so that translates into free cash flow. We can have a development strategy where we can grow in the high teens to 20% on our internal cash flow, if should we choose. We do have enough development opportunities in front of us, so we could have thinking about a $40 million budget, about 5 years of runway in front of us. We don't need to go out. We do not need to go out and buy additional assets. So we have a lot of run room. And finally, there's a large value disruption caused by the markets today that create us a strong value buy if you're looking for deep value investment.
Sure. And of course, many people consider, well, who is at the helm of a company? Tell us a little bit about your background.
Sure. I've been in the industry for about 35 years. The last almost 20 have been at the C-suite level, and probably the last just about 10 years at the CEO level. So I've got a lot of experience. My background really is a combination of asset development, mergers and acquisitions, and I can definitely run up and down a balance sheet, so I know what keeps a company in and out of trouble.
Okay, you alluded to the markets, yes. Contentious time right now. So why should investors be considering your stock?
If you want to invest in Prairie Provident today, to be honest with you, today would be more a value model. If you look at where we're trading, about 30 cents, in the value model, looking at our reserves, the true value of the company, what is it really worth? On a proved, developed, producing basis, debt adjusted, we should be trading closer to 65, 70 cents. If you looked at the total proved level, almost $1.60. So there's a lot of value disruption in the market right now, but it wouldn't be for the faint of heart. There's definitely, it's a buy and hold type strategy. On the pure, more the E&P structure model, our asset base works today. We can create positive economics, we can create free cash flow, and as a consequence, it's a good value, it's a good investment just from an E&P development point of view, but the market doesn't recognize that today. Okay.
Tim Granger, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
That was the President and Chief Executive Officer of Prairie Provident Resources, Tim Granger.
Thank you.
This report brought to you by the Richmond Club, where investors and high-growth companies meet.